for saving me. Wait, is that your fishing outfit?
Fishing outfit?
Yeah, your outfit for fishing.
This is my normal outfit. Why, is that your drowning outfit?
OMG, dead Hilla Curls? Who could have done this?
Only a monster is capable of such brutality. A few moments later.
Give me the chest or lose your fingers!
Let go! I called dibs on this one.
What a beautiful melody!
Music is the language of the soul, after all.
What is her soul trying to tell us? Is she okay?
You haven't met Fischl yet, right? She's from Mondstadt like Amber. It seems fate has crossed our paths. I, Fischl, Prinsessendur for Hihilang, shall grace you with my presence. Nice to meet you.